Hello students, welcome to Abhyas Law Prep. HNLU located at Raipur, Chhattisgarh has released a vacancy notification. Let's look at it. For that, you'll just need to go to your browser and type for NLU vacancies 2025. And the first link that you'll see is of Abhyas Law Prep, so please click on that. And Abhyas Law Prep regularly updates this website with respect to any notifications from NLUs of the consortium of CLAT 2025. And at 6th, we have HNLU Raipur's notification. Just click on that. And yes. So, regarding the eligibility, the notification doesn't talk about the eligible students like rank wise eligibility. So, anyone who's interested can pay a fee of 1000 rupees and apply to this. So, let's look at the seats. So for unreserved category, we have 4 seats, All India category seats, and for All India SC, we have 1, and All India ST, we have 1 more. And with respect to the domicile, whoever is studied in Chhattisgarh or whoever has a domicile in Chhattisgarh, so for them, we have unreserved 1 and OBC 1 more. So you have to first make the payment through this link. You just have to open this link. And you have to select the payment category, which category do you belong to, that is application fee category, and then you have to verify the payment details and then complete the payment. And after completing the payment, take a screenshot of the same and then fill in this Google form that's given here. So after taking screenshot of your payment using the other link, you have to fill in all your details, upload category certificate if it is there, if you have the same, and then you have to just upload your screenshot and click on submit. So make sure you enter your admit card number, score, and All India rank carefully before filling this form, and ensure that you fill every other detail in the form correctly, and do it before 6th of July, correct, because that's the deadline for filling of this application form. And if you have any queries, you can always reach out to the admissions mail of HNLU Raipur. So all the best for your preparation. Stay tuned, stay updated, and follow Abhyas Law Prep. Thank you.